Hey everyone, this is Code Runner. In this video, I am going to explain the buy two chocolates, which is LeetCode easy question. In this question, we have given an integer array with prices, with named prices, which representing the prices of various chocolates in the store. So we have an array of prices, and you are also given a single integer money. Okay, we have given an integer money, so which will represent our initial amount of money. So money will represent our initial amount of money. Okay, then you must buy exactly two chocolates in such a way that you still have some non-negative leftover money. Okay, you would like to minimize the sum of prices of two chocolates you buy. So so from this line we can take assumption that we have to minimize the prices of we have to buy two chocolates in a such a way that it cannot extend, or we can say cross the limit of our given money, which which we have initially. uh, so uh, we we cannot cross the limit, so we have to return the money that you will have left over after buying the two chocolates. Okay, we have to return that money that will left after buying the two chocolates. If there is no way, for example, if there is no way to buy the chocolate without ending in positive amount, so we have to simply return that money. So let's let us discuss this test case. So let me open my digital board. So let me refresh this. Okay. So so this is our test case 1. So I will explain this test case, and with the help of this we will understood the question. Oh, sorry. Control Z. Opacity will be less, I think. So that is 0, 1, 2. Sorry, I will draw it again because the size, I have taken the large size. Large size. So this is zeroth index. This is our first index. This is our second index. So I will simply return. This is 0, 1. This is second index. In the zeroth index we have 1. In the first index we have 2, and in the second index we have 2 only. So we have to buy. These are element at each index representing the chocolates, number of chocolates. So at zeroth index the number of chocolates will be 1. at 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 first index we have number of chocolates that is equal to 2, and so on. So in this question we have to simply take two smallest numbers. So we will take two smallest number and add them and see, and compare with the money. If we have to in the question we have given we have to buy two chocolates. Okay, so we have to buy two chocolates, so we can buy two chocolates by taking the minimum amount, by taking the minimum amount. So we will take the two minimum element in an array and then compare with the money, and we will see if they are additional, if we add both our elements, and we take summation of both, and it came if it is coming less than our money, our given money, then we can buy. Otherwise we have to simply return that exact money. We have to simply return that money. So simple logic is simple. We have to, so output, so we have our first smallest, uh, let me declare as smallest as fs, that is first smallest. So in the given array, the first smallest element will be at 0th index. In the given test case, we have that first smallest element at 0th index, which is 1. So I will write 1. Then we have second smallest, which I will represent with the help of sm. Second smallest, sorry, ss, pardon, sorry, ss, which is 2. So we will see if I will take the summation of these two, then 3 will be summation of both 1 plus 2 will be 3, and and we have that initialized money 3 only. So we can buy 3 chocolates. So 3 minus 3, that will be 0. So we have to return the 0. So our output will be 0. Let me check in the, yes, our output will be 0. So we have to simply return that. And if if we want to buy 3 chocolates, then we have to take the 3 smallest number. So for buying 3 chocolates, we have to take 3 smallest number. So as is 3, I am taking simply summation of these element. So 2 plus 2, that is 4, that is 5. So 5 is larger than 3. So we have to simply return the original amount, that is initial money. So we cannot buy 3 chocolates in the given money with the given money. So there are two approaches. First with let me discuss the first approach. I will say that is approach 1. So approach 1 will be simply, step 1 will be simply sort the given price array. We have given an price array, price vector, we have to simply sort that, and after that, if we will find the first smallest and second smallest. If first smallest, that will be represented by fs, and second smallest, that will be represented by ss. If these both, summation of these both are coming to be less than money, so we have to simply return that, we have to subtract that summation with the summation of first. We have to simply subtract that money from the summation of two smallest number. So that is first smallest number, and that is else we have to simply return money. We simply, as usual, we have to return money. So this is my first approach. So let me discuss the time complexity for this approach. Time complexity for this approach will be so that we are using the sort function. So sort function will take the big of n log n. So in C++, the sort function will take n log n time for sorting. The sort function will take n log n time, and space complexity will be big of n. So let me discuss the second approach. Let me erase this approach 1. Let me discuss second approach. So in the second approach, we cannot directly sort the array in the given function. We have to simply iterate the following array with the for loop. Simply iterate that. We have to simply iterate that array in the for loop. So simply we have to simply find the first element, first smallest element, and second smallest element, and simply we have to take the sum, and we will check the condition. If our condition is fulfilled, we have to return that amount. Otherwise we have to return the initial money. So let me code this in LeetCode code editor. So I will using the C++ in this tutorial. So let me initialize the our first integer, that is first variable, that is we have to find the first smallest element, that will I will initialize with the int max, because we have taken the edge cases. We have to take the edge cases. No, we have, from the edge cases we have to take the maximum element, so that any error will not come in our while running the program. Any error will not should take place. So our smallest will be initialized with the int main, and our second variable, that is second smallest, that will be initialized with the with same int main, int max, with int max. So we have to simply return the simply iterate the for loop, and that is prices, prices, and simply we have to check condition. If our x is less than the prices, we have to simply what we have to do, we have to simply initialize our second small our first smallest, that is smallest to second smallest, and smallest to our current that is current integer, and else we have to simply what we have to simply update the second smallest element, that will be mean of x comma second smallest. So we'll check if our, that is smallest plus second smallest is coming less than or equal to our given money, then we have to Control Z. Then we have to return money. If directly I have reversed the condition, so if our sum of summation of smallest and second smallest element is greater than money, we have to simply return that money. Else we have to return this return the difference between that. Else we have to return the return it is money minus, that is money minus smallest plus second smallest. There will be plus sign, sorry, by mistake there will be plus sign. So simply we have to return that. So in this approach we the time complexity will be big of n, because we are iterating the array at once, so time complexity will be big of n. So what is here in this, what the problem? If prices is if prices is less than x, sorry, what mistake I have done, simply let me check what I have done wrong in the given question. My approach is simply approach is correct, was syntax error is coming. So let me check once.